let's say I'm a medium-sized business owner and, I get an extortion threat. Unfortunately, I'm not working with either Corvus Insurance or Airiam. What do I do?
You got to start with calling in the experts, right? There's this new game that's going around right now, and it angers me quite a bit. It's a game where you can pretend to be a ransom negotiator. You're not going to play a game and become an expert in this, right? So this really starts from day one. When you have an incident, you have to get in touch with people who have been through this, who know what to do, and can guide you through that. And that's where, even if you're not an existing customer of Corvus Insurance or Airiam, who are you working with? Like, do you have another insurance provider? Do you know a forensics provider? Or are you working with somebody who has been through this before and really been through this? Not just saying they haven't, like actually has the reps behind them that can guide you through this. Because this is just not a game that you want to play alone.